Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A55. I will show 3 ways to take a screenshot and I will start with the fastest way. After choosing the image, to take a screenshot, press and release simultaneously. Power and volume down buttons. Screen flash indicates a successful capture. After capturing, you can immediately edit the screenshot through a small menu at the bottom of the screen. Options include cropping or drawing on the screenshot before saving it. After that you can share or send on Facebook, WhatsApp or Gmail. The second way to take a screenshot, swipe down twice from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Then tap the pencil icon, tap the right panel. Now look for the screenshot icon. When you find it, tap the screenshot icon to add it to the quick panel, then tap done. After choosing the desired image, swipe down twice from the top of the screen and in the quick settings panel tap on take screenshot. The screen will flash indicating a successful capture. The third way to take a screenshot is palm swipe. This gesture-based method allows you to take a screenshot by sliding the edge of your hand across the screen. The hand must touch the phone screen. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.